Here we have the 14-cup programmable coffee maker XL Pro with a permanent filter. Inside here is your filter. It's got the measuring spoon here, and it has your water reservoir. It brews two styles, the classic and the rich. We have a clock on the front. You can do your hours and your minutes, your timer. You can do delay, 1 to 4 cup, classic, rich, brew, and you clean, or you can have it on warm. And it will hold up to 14 cups, so this is your water tank. So if you're looking for a coffee pot that looks like it will last you a while and do a great job, you might want to give this one a try.